Hello and welcome. If you love shipping container homes or you are planning on building one, on this channel we showcase amazing shipping container projects from around the world. If you like this kind of content, then feel free to subscribe to our YouTube channel for amazing weekly videos on shipping container projects. This modern and minimalist home was built with recycled shipping containers stacked on top of each other to create a beautiful and eclectic space that is both sustainable and full of character. The main floor features an open concept living and dining area that is designed to connect seamlessly with the outdoors. The floor-to-ceiling glass windows and sliding doors provide ample natural light and offer breathtaking views of the surrounding landscape. On one end of the living room, you'll find a cozy fireplace that keeps the home warm and inviting on cooler days. The fireplace is defined by a cowhide floor mat and is surrounded by full-height glass doors that create a seamless indoor-outdoor connection. The lounge area is complete with a large smart TV mounted on the wall and a comfortable couch, making it the perfect place to relax and unwind after a long day. The dining area can accommodate up to 8 people and overlooks the beautiful outdoors. You can watch the light change or weather roll in from a distance while enjoying a meal with family and friends. The light-filled kitchen features wooden countertops, a large island with seating, stainless steel appliances, and an abundance of beautiful green-painted cabinets. The door from the kitchen leads to the main entrance on the second floor and a guest bathroom. The staircases are constructed from locally harvested pine timbers, and hemlock stairs lead you to the 2 bedrooms on the upper and lower levels. On the upper story, the first bedroom features a comfortable queen bed, storage cabinets, a sitting area, and a large glass window that opens onto the balcony for more entertainment options. Adjoining the first bedroom is a modern bathroom that features a glass shower cubicle fitted with modern tile and fixtures, a toilet, and storage cabinets. Past the first bedroom is the sun-filled second bedroom that features a cozy double bed, storage cabinets, a sitting area, a large window for daylighting. In addition, the large glass windows open onto a balcony with a brand new 7x7 jacuzzi and an outdoor shower where you can relax with family and friends after a day on the slopes. Down the stairs is a third and fourth bedroom, from which you'll find the third bedroom that has a comfy single bed and cozy bunk beds, storage cabinets, and floor-to-ceiling glass doors that extend the bedroom space to the outdoors. The third bedroom is served by a modern bathroom fitted with all bathroom essentials. On the opposite side of the third bedroom is the fourth bedroom. It features a cozy double bed and a sitting area surrounded by large glass windows. It is served by a modern bathroom fitted with a glass shower cubicle, a toilet vanity with a large mirror, plus a glass door that opens onto the balcony. The interior of the home is painted in light colors, making the space appear bigger and brighter, eliminating any claustrophobic feel associated with shipping container boxes. The grooves of the raw shipping container walls and ceilings are visible on the interior of the house, bringing out the industrial charm of the design, juxtaposed against the oak wood wall paneling, giving the house a warm and welcoming feel. On the exterior, the grooves of the raw shipping container walls are visible, and it emphasizes the building materials from which the house is constructed. This amazing house is listed for sale at $1.25 million. Feel free to check it out using the link in the description below.